Now, after calculation of mean, when the deviations are being calculated, what you have to do is you have to make the square deviation square, that is dx square. This was my dx, now this is my dx square. So minus 9 square will give me 81, minus 6 square will give me 36, minus 3 square will give me 9, 0 square is 0, 3 square is again 9, 6 square is again 36, and again 9 square is 81. Now do the addition of all dx square with it. What you have to do is do the addition of all dx square. Do till this, then I will go for y, and those who have completed that summation dx square, this is beta summation of dx square. Actual mean method I am again telling you once again. Summation dx square is this. Then kindly note down the y, everyone. Those who have completed with dx square, kindly note down the y series. Note beta dx square. Yes or no? Okay, beta. Note down. And there. Then beta of y, again same procedure. First I will calculate the mean of y. So mean of y here is 12. As you can see, 84 divided by 7. Mean of y is 12. Now as soon as the mean of y has been calculated, I will calculate the deviation from the y, that is dy. Y minus the mean. Shall I tell for y also now, beta? Everyone? Tell me. Okay. Now deviations of y is what, beta? Here it will be 12 minus 6 minus 12. So negative it would be. Here again it will be negative. Here again it will be negative. That is minus 2. Then it is 0. Then it is 14 minus 12. And then 16 minus 12. And then 18 minus 12. So here is the deviation. Now again what we have to do is we have to go for deviation square. What we have to go is we have to go for deviation square, that is dy square. So minus 6 square is 36, minus 4 square is 16, minus 2 square is 4, then 0, then 2 square is 4, then 4 square is 16, and then 6 square is 36. After calculation of dy square, what you have to do is you have to do the addition so as to calculate summation of dy square. It is summation of your dy square. Noted till this summation of dy square. Once you note down, just tell me. Noted. Others, Arunima noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asta noted. Noted, beta, everyone. Now, beta, what Aryan noted, beta? Now, see, what we have to do is we have to multiply deviation of x and deviation of y. That is dx multiplied by dy. So this is your dx multiplied by dy. So go with dx. First dx was how much? If you see, first dx was 9. Then dy is 6. So 9 6 are 54. Then here dx is 6. Then here dy is minus 4. So 6 4s are 24. Then minus 3. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, it will give us 6. Then 0 multiplied by 0, it will give me 0. Then 3 multiplied by here 2, it will give me 6. Then 6 multiplied by 4, here it will give me 24. And 9 multiplied by 6, again 54. And after calculation of dx dy, do the addition of dx dy. Do that, everyone. Once you do, please intimate me, then I will move further. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Waiting for others also to reply. Aryan, noted?
Yes, sir.
So after dx dy, beta, do the summation. Now come to the formula, as I told you, because there was the problem of n also. The formula is very simple of actual mean method is dx dy. I am writing it again. It is summation of dx dy. Just a second. Comment came. Summation of what, beta? Here it will be dx dy divided by under root of summation of dx square, summation of under root dx square into summation of dy square. Note down, everyone, beta. Noted, beta, dx dy and then dx square and dy square. Now put the values. See, only if the values have been
Yes,
put in. So in that, summation dx dy is 168. Then summation of dx square is 252. Then dy square is 112. So ultimately, we will be calculating this. So for my suggestion, you will be calculating with the help of log table, and you will convert into 2.52 and 1.12. Then you go for it, because this calculation is not possible of 28224. You can calculate with the help of log table, that 2.52 and 112. Is it clear, beta? Please, when you are calculating log table, don't go for the double calculation. Under root of 252 we will calculate separately by the formula 2.52 and by 112. Clear, beta? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is your actual mean method. Noted.
Yes, sir.
So this is the actual mean method which I want to tell you. Now here answer, you can see it is 1. So it is what showing? It is showing a perfect positive correlation. Okay. What is perfect positive? When answer comes to 1. So in examination, what also when answer comes out to be 1, it will be a perfect positive correlation. Is it clear to everyone? Whenever answer comes to be 1, it is perfect positive correlation. Can I move to next question of shortcut and assuming method? Beta, can I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
So see, there is one question here. It is just a direct question. Sum of square of derivation of x, that is dx square. You can see this is your dx square. Then sum of square of derivation of y, that is your dy square. And the products of derivation they have given, that is 122. So simply I will put the values. That is dx dy is 122 and under root it will be 136 multiplied by 138. Okay, and root it will be 136 multiplied by 138. So this kind of questions can also come in examination. So be ready for such kind of questions. So now shall we move for shortcut method, beta? Answer.
Yes.
So now I'm rotating it because that is in the another mode. Let me come on to the rotation. So here we are going with the shortcut method. Now the question is different or it is same. You can see the question is same or different. The question is same. Now we are going with the shortcut method in which I am taking an assumed number. And this assumed number will help me to what? This assumed number will help me to calculate in a simple way. Write down x first of all, everyone. Then we will go on to the formula of the shortcut method. Once you note down, please tell me, then we will move further. Note down with a fast of x, everyone. And this 18 is the assumed number here. Once you note down, tell me, then I will move further with them. Notate. So what in this we will calculate? First I will calculate what? Calculation is done of assumed number and then the deviation. Same process. After deviations, I will go for deviation square. And again in y, again I will be taking an assumed number. Suppose I have taken assumed number here as 10. Assumed number here is taken as 10. And then again I am calculating deviations from y, and that deviations from y, that again we will go for deviation square. Note down beta everyone first of all this. Shall I complete for x first of all? Tell you first of x. Note down first of x. I am giving you time for notation of value of x first of all. Then we will move to the calculation of y. Once you note down, kindly tell me, then we will move further. Have noted, beta?
Yes, sir.
Of y, kindly note down. Because this is the only last method of shortcut, because only two methods we have to discuss. First is the shortcut method and other is this direct method. Shortcut is also known as beta assume mean method. Once you note down, kindly intimate me, then I will be moving further. Noted of y also, beta?
Yes, sir.
Others, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so y also notation has been done. Now we will be calculation of dy. dy I have taken assumed number is 10. And then assume number 10, we have taken the deviations and then the dy. Now only thing is the formula. Okay, so dx square, again you will be see here you have to calculate summation of dx also in your shortcut method. You have to calculate summation of dx also, and you have to calculate summation of dx square. Then summation of dy also is calculated, that is 14, and summation of dy square is also calculated, that is 140. And last step was calculation of dx and dy. Is it clear? Has everybody noted? Yes or no? In the times everybody have noted, can I show you the next calculation, beta?
Yes, sir.
Others answer. Are they attending the session or they are just enjoying their Sunday? Are you attending the session, beta, or you are enjoying your Sunday morning? Sunday पढ़ाना शुरू कर दिया. Tell me. Everybody have noted, yes or no? Only two answer I am getting from Bhumika and Aryan. What about the?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asta and Kaustubi, what about you? Are you there in the meeting? Asta and Kaustubi? Yes, Asta is right. Kaustubi? What about you, Kaustubi? Kaustubi, answer. Are you there, beta, in the meeting? No answer from Kaustubi. Is she there in the meeting, beta? Bhumika?
Yes, sir.
There's no answer from.
Yes, sir.
Coming from her. So let it be that I'm not responsible for their responses. Now, what is the formula for step deviation or shortcut method? Sorry, this is your shortcut method in which assumed number is to be calculated. I am just downloading that PDF. Bhumika, you have the Sandeep Gar with you or any other book with you?
So microeconomics के लिए है संदीप कर, but statistics के लिए वीके हो रही है.
Statistics के लिए वीके हो रही है. चलो, no issues. I have both. I'm just opening that. Just a second, because the solution was not being taken in the night, so I am opening it right now. Just a second. It is opening. That solution is opening. Is it visible, beta? To everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, and coming to your shortcut method, now formula will change. Now, what will be the formula? Now, formula is n multiplied by summation of dx dy minus dx is separate and dy is separate. That is the summation. Then under root. Yesterday I told you it is n summation of dx square and then minus dx whole square, and then again multiplied by n summation of dy square minus dy whole square. Okay, so see the values from there. If you can see, put up the values from there. Dx dy summation was 210, so and I have put in 210. Dx summation was 21, so I have put in 21. Dy summation was 14, so I have put in 14. Then dx square was 315, so it is 315, and dx was 21, so it has been 21. Then coming to dy, and then it is dy square. So dy square was 140, so I have taken 140 minus the whole square of dy. So dy is here 14, so 14 I have put in the values. Note down kindly, everyone. See, this calculations to be noted so that it will be easy for you to understand. Noted, everyone?
Yes, sir.
We're waiting for others to note down. This is the formula of shortcut method. Now, as soon as this is being solved, again you will be having one numbers. You can either go by separate or either you can calculate. If it is suppose 1764, so it can convert into 17.64 and you can take it from log table. 784 I can convert into 7.84 and you can take it from log table. And mostly if this can be a perfect number also, so you can calculate by perfect number, that can be easy for you to understand. Is it clear?
So I have a question.
Yes, beta.
ये shortcut method is same like the substitution,
No,
right?
shortcut method is different, step deviation is different. I will be confirming from Archana ma'am that is step deviation in your course, because most of the schools are not teaching step deviation, they are ending in shortcut method only. First one is assume method, first one is actual mean method, second was in assumed mean or shortcut method. Okay, this which we are doing, this is the formula of shortcut method beta, or it is also considered as assumed mean method. Okay, Bhumika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula of assumed mean of shortcut. Step deviation is little bit typical. So step deviation, maybe I will ask me Anshana ma'am that whether it is being there in the course or not. So if it is in course, tomorrow I will teach you that step deviation and this chapter of correlation will be winded up. Clear with this? Noted beta, everyone have noted?
Yes.
Okay, can I move further now? So again, answer will be 1. See, for calculation of log, again I told you that if it is a 4-digit number, so you have to convert into point. 17.64 multiplied by 100. So 17.64 can be calculated, it will be 4.2 or whatever is the answer. And in 784, you will convert it to 7.84 and then you will calculate the log table. So use log table as possible as you can. So is this clear, beta, to everyone? Is it clear to everyone, beta? Those who are there in the meeting, Arunima, Bhumika, Asta,
Yes, sir.
must be clear. Okay, one more. I have given a assignment of correlation. Have you seen your Google Classroom? Has anybody seen the Google Classroom?
Yes, sir.
So there is an assignment. You do not have to do all questions. You do not have to see the other question. The only thing is you have to see the particular questions which I have mentioned in the instruction. Okay, I'm showing you on the screen. Just let me open that. Let me end the recording because the overall portion is done. So with a project report, everybody mostly have submitted. So I'm ending on that. So project reporters almost have submitted their project reports. Anybody left who has not submitted the project report here?